Today I'm doing some neurotoxins for myself, but now the glabellar area. So you can see I have very strong bunny lines. And then the forehead, I don't do cookie cutter. I actually want to see what's going on. And this one is should be here. Okay, smiling. And then I'm gonna do some injection there. Then these. I wanna lift my nose. So there's an injection right here. And then some people do here to lift, but I'm fine. So I don't think I wanna do anything there. So this is it. These should be much deeper. So you don't get the frontalis. These are more superficial. Much more superficial here.